Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Deep within the heart of liquid cargo operations on oil tankers, chemical carriers, and gas vessels works one of the most vital technical specialists in the maritime industry, the pumpman. Serving as a crucial link between the deck department and the engine room, the pumpman holds direct responsibility for the continuous health, maintenance, and safe operation of complex liquid transfer systems on board. While deck officers manage loading plans and calculations, it is the pumpman who physically turns the valves, monitors high-capacity pumps, inspects extensive pipe networks, and ensures that millions of barrels of liquid flow smoothly and safely without a single leak. This hands-on role demands an extraordinary blend of mechanical mastery, seamanship, and unwavering safety awareness. The daily work scope for a pumpman is intense, highly technical, and essential to vessel safety. Inside the deep cargo pump room, a high-risk space filled with heavy machinery, high-pressure lines, and volatile vapors, the pumpman performs rigorous daily inspections. They check pump seals, bearings, pressure gauges, emergency shutoff valves, and specialized ballast systems to prevent costly breakdowns during critical port operations. Before loading or discharging operations begin, the pumpman aligns complex manifold setups, sets up cargo lines, and verifies that inert gas systems and vapor control units function perfectly. During active cargo transfers, they remain on constant alert, monitoring line pressures, inspecting pump temperatures, and performing rapid maintenance if any anomaly arises. Between cargo voyages, the pumpman takes charge of tank washing systems, stripping pumps, and line blowing operations to ensure tanks are spotlessly clean and prepared for the next cargo type. Safety forms the absolute core foundation of everything a pumpman does on board. Working in enclosed spaces with hazardous, flammable, or toxic liquids requires strict adherence to safety protocols. The pumpman conducts continuous gas testing, maintains safety ventilation systems, and ensures all emergency equipment in the pump room operates flawlessly. They work closely with the chief officer, guiding deck ratings during cargo operations and troubleshooting mechanical issues before they can compromise safety or cargo integrity. Stepping into the role of a pumpman requires deep mechanical aptitude, problem-solving ability, and years of hands-on experience on tanker vessels. It is a highly respected and well-compensated rating position that carries huge operational responsibility. For mariners who take pride in keeping heavy machinery running smoothly and ensuring safe cargo transfers, becoming a pumpman offers an exceptionally rewarding and vital career path on the open seas. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.